I have.
This is very yummy ba? What's your...
What is that?
It's called in Philippines, kan.
Oh,
Lukot.
Lokot.
you just eat it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like your tattoo, man. Alien.
Wow. You like your tattoo?
Yeah. Very cool.
Ito, barkoy. Barko.
Asa Arjun?
Ang Arjen, uli?
You guys are all family?
No.
Neighbors?
Neighbors.
Oh.
Neighbors again. Never still like that. Cause you know the
Wait, kutilyo Jay.
Duk. You wanna stay there? Kaya butil na naman na. Yan na ba sa tungo? It's okay, my friend.
Yeah. I wanted to talk to the local people here. I haven't seen sea creatures in my country, Mexico. No. They don't have those
This one?
in Mexico, no. So I want to try.
Me try first.
Huh?
Me try first and you.
Ah, okay.
Dagko ato Mexico.
Huh?
Wa gani siya wa.
Wala lagi nato Mexico lagi.
You guys were born here in Lapu-Lapu?
Yeah.
That's right.
That's right.
What is that?
Vinegar.
Oh. I thought.
Say hi, vlog. Hi.
Yeah, ito the vlog.
It's okay. I have
It's okay.
I have no subscribers.
Naka-subscribe yun wa.
I just made a channel before I came over here. Says brand new.
Kulong ko, babig dagat ba? Untay siglan nan.
Ano na Jay?
Bigan unawan ba unawan. Dito cellphone ba sa?
That thing is still moving. It's moving. What is it like meat?
Like lami.
Sarap.
Masarap.
Sige. May ba sa kache?
Kukunon suyo ko ng regs.
Ano kanon ko?
Try first. That you.
Ikaw na try.
Ah, okay.
Dim jam ko, nadlok piluan ang buong. Kani makaon ang bote Jay? Lahir na. Aro mo.
It's my first time.
Wait, rice. Rice, you gotta
Oh,
Mix it.
mix the rice.
they're bringing rice.
Ang naglabi na ikaw eh.
Wala, makaonis. Ito,
Kanya patilawan niya ba? Unawig suka ba? Sana ba kana? Kami nang hanar?
Awan mo na.
seen it?
What is that?
Rice.
No, this.
Aw kanang
It's called in Philippines, tagimtim.
Mm.
tagim team.
That's how you say in Bisaya.
Same no.
Kuha na, Rick.
Kita rin.
Sa ba kay? Usa biyan. Kaon siya.
Dugay kay mo to yung mura na yun.
Init niya.
Kani heart.
Kana ba
You wanna try?
Right? Salat.
I'll try one.
One.
Yeah.
It's okay, my friend.
Kitay.
I don't know if it's gonna be masarap for me or not. I don't know.
Guys, masarap.
Masarap, my friend.
Okay.
Pata coke na.
Coca-Cola.
Goodbye,
Bad
soft
drink.
drinks.
Oh.
Nakakala ba?
Aman.
Yung magkakit.
Rice.
Ano sa kanya din?
Yeah. It's okay. You guys eat here. Maybe you guys wanted to eat at your house, but you guys, it's okay.
It's okay. Pero bro.
Napala interested niya. Okay na ba daw mukhaon? Dire, nga naman tayo balay.
Kira. Okay ka, Choy. Si.
Just little.
Ito na gamano.
Ginamos. Ay, ginamos ka lang ko na. Ikaw, Andra.
Okay.
Sige.
You just pour it? Or- okay.
5. Eat this.
Okay. Thank you, amigo.
Sige, amigo. Kita nito. Wala ba yung amigo?
Salamat po, you guys.
Eat that.
Gibangan ko na.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna record myself trying it.
Tutukan ko.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's masarap.
Bili man na. Basta kuhan.
Ito, marigot.
How long did it take you to catch all those? How many hours?
2 hours.
3 hours? Oh. Just right here, walking? Oh, far?
No.
Babak ko.
Both.
Oh, yeah?
Kwerto ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like that.
Oh.
Sila timakita ni, di man panos.
It's your father's boat?
Yeah.
It's your papa boat?
Yes.
Yung
Ano
mga
ba papa ang sayan?
Di? No.
Yeah, no.
Or your tito's boat?
Dito na lang.
Travel this Philippines.
Mm.
How many years are you in the Philippines?
Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Where do you live?
I'm going like towards Bangkal.
Bangkal?
Mm.
Yeah. Only one.
Yeah, only.
Your girlfriend? You like girls?
You like girls?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Pay. You pay the girl?
Mm.
You pay her?
Maybe I find my asawa. I stay here forever.
Tingkong siya. Tarong siya, boss. Ha? Sawa yung Pinay?
I like Pinay.
Like Pinay?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah, but I came here without knowing anybody.
Hindi yun.
Alis lang ako sa kalibutan. Sanang.
Maybe I find my amiga here. I don't know.
You have Facebook? You have Facebook?
What's up?
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Mm.
Tantan?
An?
What's up na lagad ka?
Telegram?
Instagram only.
Instagram?
Mm.
Messenger. Do, you like it more?
It's okay, amigo. Thank you, guys.
Abli mana?
Sabay dito. You wash?
My hands.
Yes.
You not drink water?
Is there a sorry store around
Yes.
here? Yeah. Oh, hey, sorry store.
Yes. You wanna buy?
You guys want
Soft
1 liter
Yes.
soda?
Soda, yes.
We don't have money.
Yeah.
We don't have money.
I have little money, 100 pesos. Okay.
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 Then, ano?
Don't waste your money.
I
Have
have
no work there.
I have no trabajo.
Okay, don't waste your money.
Yeah.
Kaya mga iyo patang mami.
Yeah.
What do you say?
That's song. It's just a song.
Song.
I believe, okay.
Don't waste your money. You have no work.
Hi guys. That's it.
Ay guys, nga na guys. Oh.
Nakanda niya guys.
Don't mess
Nami
with
kay
the
munggos
money,
yan, ha?
kaya patang mami.
Munggos.
Panos.
Wait, Coco.
Presyo ko ko tutin ko. Asa ba kay gutom?
Nani ang kartay?
You guys don't go to school?
Ha?
No school? No
School?
No escuela?
No, graduating.
High school?
Senior high.
Find a
As
work.
grade 12?
You find a work. But no. Wala.
And go to college first. Maybe you get work more faster, more
No
better.
money to college. Ang tumaso.
Tingnan na mo.
Ang sab ni.
Uy, ko na namin.
Ang sab ni.
Mo gani babukalan ba na?
And
Ba na dito eh.
Sugba?
you guys went in the boat
Ano na
and
balik?
you guys didn't catch fish?
Kami gina.
We don't have
Bukot.
supply.
Oh,
Ay, material.
Sampay.
Any item, any material.
oh.
Kami item dire kay. Nihit kayo.
Supply.
Ako ay.
Jake. Siguro choka Jake.
Tara.
Kano nimo? Supply mga.
So, ni G. Di ko bo G.
Pagkatuan ni ba ni yapag.
Dog.
Oh.
Give food.
Butan. So, butan.
Very friendly.
Friendly.
That's what air in the Philippines. We're all friendly.
Mm.
It's more fun in Philippines.
Balik to ba?
I like meeting people like you guys. Yeah.
Tingnan dito pala yung pinatay kay kanina mga tulis pa rin kayo.
Salamat. Boss. Thank you, amigo.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
No. Wala gid.
Oh,
You wait there, you wait there.
this water is not good.
Because
Dirty.
Oh,
Slide.
oh. Yeah, I need to go to my house. So you guys neighbors and they're brother sister? No?
Cousin.
Oh, cousin. Oh, it's your,
Five.
huh? Oh, you guys married?
No, not a married, but
Oh,
Sawa.
oh,
not a married.
oh. I thought he was kuya. No.
Papa.
Last time I passed by here, I saw karaoke. You guys were doing karaoke, or somebody, family there. Oh.
no do karaoke gana.
Karaoke.
Kanta song.
Sinutan na.
O tanong ko na ba siya anak?
You have a baby?
No.
Wala dyan na, kinita ka dyan eh. Ako tuginan, ganang ka babae, bayad. Tao. Meron diyan dito.
Na yung mga babae da. Tubag dokbok. Gigit sa niya na ako lang yun. Sig mga tawa ka baka sabot sa kung nang ipamunit nila sa munggos-munggos. Sa munggos-munggos ko lang ipamunit. Kita G.
Lagi sa mo.
Thank you, amigo.
Ayun na.